Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Fox Angel. So, we are going to be playing a game that I downloaded on my phone called Avatar Maker Dogs. So, I put on the music in the background. So I was planning this for a little bit. So now once I'm not gonna be talking, you guys are gonna be hearing some music, and I might turn it up. Okay, so I am going to pick a background for my dog. So I think I'm gonna do a wolf that is somewhere or just related to the background. Now I'm gonna pick a skin for this wolf or dog. Okay, so I picked this for my dog. Now I'm gonna pick an eye. Okay, so I picked this eye. Now I'm gonna go and pick a color for the eye, and then I am going to pick the same eye and do the same thing with like the left eye. One step closer. Okay, now I'm gonna pick a snout for my dog. Okay, now I'm gonna pick out some ears. And I'm also gonna color them. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the right ears.
Boys seem to like the girls who laugh at anything, the ones who get undressed before the second day. Girls seem to like
okay, now I'm gonna pick out a type of legs for my dog.
To be fly as a mother, got my both eyes out for Mr. Right. Guessing I just don't know where to find them, but I hope they all come out tonight. Where do the good boys go to hide away, hide away? I'm a good girl who needs a little company, looking hot in love. Someone like me, know where do the good boys go?
Okay, now I'm going to color the legs.
Boys seem to like the girls who like to kiss and tell, talking them up about the things they do so well. But I'd rather find a boy who is down time that it takes to be fly as a mother, to supply all of my heart's demands.
Now I'm gonna pick out a hair type.
'Cause undercover is gonna save my life like Superman. Where do the good boys go to hide away, hide away? I'm a good girl who needs a little company. Looking high in the summer like me. Now where do the good boys go to hide away, hide away? Tell me where the good boys go. Tell me where the good boys go. Tell me where the good boys go. Will somebody tell me, tell me, tell me where the good boys go. 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 Where do the good boys go to hide away, hide away?
Now I'm gonna pick out a collar.
Needs a little company. Looking high in the summer.
I'm also gonna do the rest of these without talking. So I'm also gonna be looking at my dog and see if there's anything that I need to change.
Hide away, hide away. In the summer like now where do the good boys go to hide away, hide away? I met you in the dark, you lit me up, you made me feel as though I wasn't off. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. 'Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're growing old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked
Okay,
over your
so this is
shoulder,
my
don't
finished
forget that I'm
dog.
older.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like, subscribe, and enjoy. Goodbye.